Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Android tablets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G, SMX238UZA-USC, a modern 11-inch Android 16 tablet built for smooth performance, entertainment, and everyday productivity with fast connectivity and a premium large-screen experience. Priced at $279.99, this tablet delivers strong value for a 5G-enabled device. You're getting a big display, upgraded chipset, and premium features at a mid-range budget, making it ideal for students, media users, and casual multitaskers. The Galaxy Tab A11 Plus stands out with a set of balanced, practical upgrades. 11-inch large display, perfect for streaming, reading, and gaming. 5G plus Wi-Fi connectivity, US cellular support, fast and stable internet anywhere. Android 16 OS, latest software experience with improved security and performance. 128GB storage, plenty of space for apps, videos, and files. Upgraded chipset, smoother multitasking and faster app response. Quad speakers, immersive stereo sound for movies and music. Long battery life, built for all-day usage. Multi-window support, run multiple apps side by side for productivity. Pros. Large 11-inch display is great for entertainment. 5G support improves connectivity on the go. Smooth multitasking with multi-window feature. Strong audio with quad speakers. Good storage capacity for the price. Cons. Mid-range chipset may not suit heavy gaming. No premium AMOLED display, likely LCD. Camera performance is basic for this category. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 11-inch Android 16 tablet, a slim, powerful everyday device designed for smooth performance, entertainment, and productivity with upgraded storage and AI-powered features. Priced at $309.99, this version offers strong value with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, giving you more speed and space compared to standard mid-range tablets, ideal for multitasking, study, and media use. This tablet focuses on balanced performance and modern usability. 11-inch large display, great for movies, browsing, and reading. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, smooth multitasking and extra space for apps and files. Expandable storage support, add more space when needed. Android 16 OS, latest software with improved efficiency and security. Optimized performance chipset, responsive everyday usage. Dolby Atmos quad speakers, immersive, cinematic sound quality. AI assist features, smarter productivity and assistance tools. Long-lasting battery, reliable all-day usage. Slim and lightweight design, easy to carry anywhere. 2-year warranty, added peace of mind. Pros. Large storage, 256GB, with expandable option. Smooth multitasking with 8GB RAM. Excellent sound with Dolby Atmos speakers. Lightweight and portable design. Strong battery life for daily use. Cons. Not a high-end gaming tablet. Display likely not OLED level premium. Cameras are basic for this price range. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, a 10.9-inch Android tablet designed for note-taking, entertainment, and everyday productivity with S Pen support and AI-powered tools. Listed at $54.97, this price looks unusually low for this specification. If accurate, it delivers extremely high value with S Pen support, 6GB RAM, and a large display, making it a budget-friendly productivity tablet. This tablet is built for learning, creativity, and daily use. 10.9-inch LCD display, good size for media, reading, and work. 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage, balanced performance for multitasking. Expandable storage up to 2TB, huge space for files and media. Exynos 1380 chipset, efficient performance for daily tasks. S Pen support, great for note-taking, sketching, and studying. Circle to search feature, quick AI-powered search interaction. AI tools integration, smarter productivity and assistance. Long battery life, designed for extended daily usage. Slim and lightweight design, easy portability. Pros. S Pen support is great for students and creators. Large storage with expandable option. Good performance for everyday tasks. AI features improve usability. Portable and lightweight design. Cons. LCD display, not AMOLED. Not suitable for heavy gaming or pro editing. Camera quality likely basic. Price listed, $54.97, seems unrealistic and may be incorrect. Number 2. FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet. Meet the FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet, 2026 model, a large-screen LTE-enabled tablet designed for multitasking, entertainment, and everyday mobile productivity. Priced at $129.98, this tablet offers strong mid-budget value with 20GB RAM claim, LTE support, and a full HD display, making it appealing for users who want phone plus tablet flexibility in one device. This tablet focuses on performance, connectivity, and media use. 11-inch in-cell FHD display, sharp visuals for videos, browsing, and reading. Android 16 OS, 2026 optimized, latest software experience. 128GB storage plus up to 20GB RAM, expanded RAM claim, smoother multitasking performance. Octa-core MTK8786 processor, balanced performance for daily apps. 4G LTE plus 5G Wi-Fi support, fast internet on mobile networks and home networks. Dual camera setup, 13MP rear plus 8MP front, basic photography and video calls. T-Mobile SIM support, cellular connectivity for on-the-go use. Slim gray design, portable and modern look. Pros. Large 11-inch Full HD display. LTE support adds full mobile flexibility. High RAM claim improves multitasking feel. Good for streaming, browsing, and study use. Affordable price for feature set. Cons. MTK8786 is a mid-range chipset, not for heavy gaming. 20GB RAM likely includes virtual RAM, not real physical memory. Camera quality is basic. Brand not as established as Samsung or Apple. Number 1. WXUNJA Android 16 tablet. Meet the WXUNJA 11-inch Android 16 tablet, a budget-friendly large-screen tablet designed for streaming, multitasking, and everyday productivity with an upgraded RAM setup and Android 16 system. Priced at $109.99, this tablet offers aggressive value with 28GB RAM claim, 128GB storage, and an 11-inch display, making it attractive for users who want strong specs on a low budget. This tablet focuses on entertainment, storage, and connectivity. 11-inch HD display, ideal for movies, browsing, and reading. Octa-core processor, handles daily apps smoothly. 28GB RAM, expanded/virtual RAM claim, improved multitasking performance. 128GB storage plus 1TB expandable support, huge space for files and media. 8,000 mAh battery, long-lasting usage for all-day work and play. Widevine L1 support, HD streaming on Netflix and other platforms. Dual Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz, stable and faster internet connectivity. GPS plus FM radio support, extra utility features. 5MP rear plus 8MP front camera, basic video calls and photos. Case included, added protection out of the box. Pros. Very affordable price. Large display with Widevine L1 HD streaming support. Strong battery capacity, 8,000 mAh. Huge expandable storage option. Case included adds value. Cons. 28GB RAM is mostly virtual RAM, not physical. Brand is not well known. Cameras are basic quality. Performance likely limited for heavy gaming or editing. If you want a big screen Android tablet with strong storage, streaming support, and budget pricing, the WXUNJA 11-inch tablet is worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews like this.